Welcome to Living Gardens Homestead. This is James. We have a garden here that we've been trying out. We started out in a 10 by 12 Harbor Freight greenhouse, and we did so well through the winter. We had plenty of sweet 100 tomatoes through the winter, and salads and stuff for salads and everything. We decided this year to take our time, and it took me a few months to build this greenhouse here. And before the little greenhouse, we never owned one, but my wife always wanted one. So I decided to go ahead and build a bigger greenhouse. We did so well in the little greenhouse. Now I want to show you a little bit of our garden here. It seems like seeds anymore. You don't get what you're buying. We purchased an orange beefsteak that was supposed to be, planted those, and of course now we're seeing what we've got, and they're a paste tomato, and it's not what we thought we planted. Also, we tried cucumbers for the first time this year, the sliced cucumbers, and they're very delicious. I don't like cucumbers normally, but I'll eat these whenever we get them because they just taste so good. And another thing about them is it says they can get up to 15 inches. Well, I decided to save one of them and let it grow, and let it mature so I could get seeds out of it and try to grow some more. And I'll show you the results from that. This thing is now up to 32 inches long. A lot bigger than what they said that you get to. So let me give you a little tour here of our little greenhouse garden. We're not completely done with it, but well, here we tried to raise some of these this year in one bucket here. These are the cantaloupes that we raised, Haley's Jumbo. Then here is our peppers, Marconis, and you can see how well they're doing, and the plant seems to be getting loaded. Now the cherry tomatoes, we have those. They're already ripening up for us. And these are the cucumbers I was telling you about. They're a good cucumber. First I've ever liked of cucumbers. Now I usually raise the little pickling cucumbers for my wife to can, make pickles out of. But here's the cucumber I was wanting to show you. There's my hand, and you can see how large that cucumber's gotten. And we have tried it into buckets here. It's sort of like a deep water culture, but we recirculate the buckets, the water, and let it go back into our tub, and then pump it back through our buckets. Now our peppers, like I said, seem to be doing pretty good on these. I mean, them sweet banana peppers. And I'll go around on the other side here, and I'll show you some of the tomatoes we have. There's the sweet 100s. These here's my wife's Uncle Eb's celebrity tomatoes. And here's some more celebrities that's from her Uncle Eb's. Now here is supposed to be our orange beefsteak tomatoes. Those are not orange beefsteak tomatoes, and they're definitely not what I wanted to grow. But these is the system that I use to raise our lettuce through the winter, which we don't have lettuce planted right now, but we will be. I think she's got some herbs already started. And these also are good because we raised tomatoes in them last year. As you can see there, we have a tomato growing. We've got tomatoes growing in here. And They're pretty nice. That's growing in that system there. Now, the deep water culture that we're doing is recirculating, and here's the roots in it. And you can see the little white pipe to the left there. It's letting the water go back down into the drain and back into our pump. But the tomatoes and stuff are doing real well. If you'd like, this is a short video. If you would like us and subscribe, and we'll make a follow-up video, and I'll show you more about how I put these together. And maybe someone out there would like to do it, because it's a little cheaper than buying a lot of perlite and stuff like that. And I can give you more later on the greenhouse that I built. And we also have grapes. And beside of our grapes, we have a banana tree. So if you don't care, like, subscribe, and share us, and we'll see if we can get another video out for you to watch. And thank you very much.